Hey, this is Jackson at PIRCH's Costa Mesa showroom. I just wanted to talk a little bit today about Twin Eagles and their range of outdoor appliances. So first we could start off with the grill. As you can see right off the get-go, very, very sleek, modern design. It's beautiful, beautiful. On the front here, you can see all of these knobs are LED backlit, not only just to show that they're on, but they also show your temperature range as well. So even while the door is closed, if you don't want to get all the way up here or if it's nighttime, you'll be able to see really clearly where all of your zones are at, which is lovely. So going inside, you have this adjustable grate here. You have 3 different positions that you can lock it into. So it gives you a lot more flexibility and freedom in terms of dual layer cooking on that barbecue. The ignition system on Twin Eagles is a lot different than other manufacturers. Most manufacturers use a spark-based system. They actually use a heated piece of metal that they heat up extremely hot, and that actually lights the burners. That gives you a lot more consistent of a lighting feature that has way less chance to go wrong. The rotisserie motor is built into most of these units as well, which just gives you a little bit more power and torque, meaning if you're trying to cook a larger piece of meat, it's actually going to be quite a bit easier on a grill like this, and you're going to have less issues with the rod bowing or anything falling out of place. So one of my favorite things to eat, of course, is a steak. I think everybody loves a good steak and potatoes. Super, super easy and attainable on something like this. They have this beautiful infrared zone here that gets up to about 1,000 degrees. So if you're looking for a pretty intense sear on your steak, you could put it here. Because you have 3 different zones of cooking and the separate rack with an infrared rotisserie heater behind it, you're able to really have so much control over what you're doing. So think steak and potatoes. You would wrap, some of your potatoes up in foil with some butter, some different fixings. You could put them up here on the second rack and let those slow cook while you get a really intense sear on your steak. Get some vegetables going on the ceramic briquettes. That's what they're made for. Really, really even heat distribution. You're not gonna have too many drops in temperature. It's all very consistent. So that's kind of how I feel like I would use it. If you want to learn more about Twin Eagles, you can come to any of our showrooms in Southern California. But if you want to learn more about outdoor kitchens, you can come connect with me here at Costa Mesa.